This trick is for helping reinforce hand dominance. Now, typically a child will eat with their dominant hand, but oftentimes people will see a child switching from hand to hand, which could simply be the result of fatigue or low strength. So if you have a child that's switching from hand to hand, it's a good idea to tell them to take a break rather than switch. So if they have some low strength or if they have a lot of fatigue, better to just teach them how to take a break and then go back to using the dominant hand so that way it's more reinforced. So try the break trick. It can be very helpful for kids, and certainly it's a strategy that a lot of therapists will use to help a child really reinforce their hand dominance and help them to refine a lot of those fine motor skills with the dominant hand.